We were really successful this year in identifying external partnerships. Not only are we working with the Highline Canal Conservancy, but we are also in collaboration with Denver Parks and Recreation and a variety of other fantastic nonprofits in the Denver metro area.
Today, as a part of the Earth Day celebration, we are making beeswax wraps, and they're used as a sustainable alternative to plastic wrap.
It's just lovely to have the opportunity to feel that DU is supporting the Metro Denver area and keeping their side of the street clean, especially with regard to Day of DUing.